Hey you guys, it's mzosofabolousTV. So I'm here today to do a quick tutorial. This is going to be a chit chat tutorial, honey, because I went through it this morning, literally. But I'll explain everything that I got into as the tutorial starts. But I did want to share with you guys, my main focus was to get my hair braided, but I decided, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna save some money this week. Instead of getting my hair braided, I was gonna attempt to do it on my own. It didn't work out so well. So I ended up literally going back and forth to the beauty supply store 2 or 3 times, and I ended up spending freaking $70 on hair products just to get my hair to freaking look like this. So it's like, baby, we didn't save no money. I could have paid $55 and got my hair braided, like for real. But the makeup today, I absolutely love it. I didn't intend to go in like I went in today. I just wanted to do something really quick and simple, but I came up with this. So if you guys want to see a tutorial on this look, please let me know. But on my lips, oh my God, baby, I've been wanting to know how to do this kind of lip combo for a while now, and I kind of did it on an accident. So I'm actually wearing NYX Chestnut Lip Pencil, and I'm actually wearing an OD. Baby, when I mean OD, but goodie. I'm wearing Nicki Minaj's liquid lip gloss, Viva Glam lipstick. Oh, excuse me, this ain't even Nicki Minaj, Joe. This is how old this is. This is the Viva Glam Gaga lip gloss on my lips to achieve this look, baby. Yes. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this gorgeous look, then please stay tuned. All right, y'all, let me tell y'all how frustrated I am. Like, it's not even funny. So we're gonna do a chit chat, get ready with me video, well, hairstyle tutorial. So I had already planned to get the passion twist done this week. Super excited, been watching tutorials. I even made an appointment from somebody to get it done, but then after watching the videos, I was like, I know I can do this for myself. And you know, since I'm doing YouTube, I'm like, you know what, that'll be for a great YouTube tutorial. So last night I stayed up for like 2 freaking hours, you know, doing the rubber band method and parting my hair so that in the morning when I woke up to actually film, all I had to freaking do was, all I had to do was actually just do the crochet method and, you know, feed the hair in and do the twist for you guys. Ciao. Well, this is the moment where I regret relaxing my hair. Of course, I had to relax my hair due to a pixie cut. I'm gonna just push my chair down a little. Yeah, so I had to relax my hair due to a pixie cut, and now my hair is so freaking straight that when I do the twist, my natural hair is sticking out. Like, I couldn't figure out, it didn't matter which way I did it, my hair was just sticking out of the twist. So it's super frustrating, it's super annoying. Like I literally almost got up this morning and freaking like just ran down to the barbershop and shaved off my hair because I'm just so frustrated. So I've also been watching so many tutorials on how to do a pixie cut ponytail. So I have already put so much freaking junk in my hair, and I decided, all right, we're gonna film this process, trial and error. So I have already went ahead and loaded my hair up with this jam, and I also put the Guts to Be hairspray in my hair so that I can, you know, wear my hair in a slick ponytail. But I still feel like it's not hard. Like, I need this bad boy to be hard. So I just ran to the store and I grabbed the spritz, pump it up. So what I'm gonna do is actually spray this in my hair and actually hit it with a blow dryer to make sure it's nice and like rock solid, because like my hair is literally like this freaking big on the side, long on the sides and in the back. The top is a little longer, but still not long enough for it all to go in a ponytail. So I need to make sure that it's gonna last. And today we're actually gonna go in and try this 2-in-1 bang-in pony. So I'm super excited to try this, seeing so many tutorials on this. So I was like, hopefully, you know, this could be an alternative for me. So for the ponytail, I'm using the BP Kennedy style. And as you guys can see, it has a bang and it's curly. I do not plan on wearing it down. I actually plan on wearing it in a bun style. So I just took it out the pack, and the interesting thing is that the bang is actually attached to the ponytail. So literally all you have to do is literally just put it on like this and wrap it around and it's done. But I'm actually going to unattach that since I am, you know, I'm going to wear it in a bun style. So I'm just going to cut it where there is a mesh that attaches the two. So this is just the bang, and it comes with clips, and I can choose to wear it as a side bang or in the front. So now the ponytail has this little bridge right here to make it look like your hair is wrapped around it. I'm not gonna, once again, it's not gonna really matter with that because I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to actually put this in a bun style and pin it up. So I have some bobby pins right here. So inside the ponytail, you have two combs, and like I said, it's okay that all of my hair does not fit in the ponytail, because like I said, we're gonna do like a kind of full poofy kind of bun that's going to mask all of that hair that is not slicked up into the ponytail. So I'm just gonna take this off, and as you can see, I have my hair in a ponytail as best as possible. It isn't hard yet, but I'm still gonna allow it to set once I style this ponytail. So I'm gonna take the comb, and it has a drawstring as well, so I'm gonna loosen that up. I'm gonna take this comb and literally stick it where my hair is. And I got a number 4 because that is my natural hair color. My hair looks a little bit darker just because it is wet from all the product. And I'm gonna stick the other comb in the back. All right, you guys, I'm back. I'm dressed and I did my makeup. So I just wanted to share with you guys how the hair looks once I had it wrapped down, and it is set a little bit better. So I'm gonna share with you guys how it looks with the bang. So this bang is meant to be a side bang, but you can cut it if you'd like to make it a front bang. Like I said, it has 3 combs. So I just stuck one of the combs in the side. And this is what she looks like with the bang. So it's like you get 2-in-1 looks with this. Absolutely love it. Well, technically 3-in-1 because I can wear the hair down if I do choose so, but this is it. And I absolutely love it, actually. Like, what? Yes, baby, yes. Hopefully, I'm gonna spray even more product on this. Hopefully I can get this bun to last me a week without my little sprigs of hair coming out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have done the bang and pony before, leave in the comment section below what styles you guys have chose. And if you guys are looking for more tutorials, please leave those in the comment section below. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you enjoyed, and as always, you guys, I'll see you in the next one.